Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by extracting every given number and sketching a clear ray diagram. This is non-negotiable. Once done, label N1 and N2, mark incident and refracted angles from the normal, and note distances like d or wavelength lambda if present. Make sure to state the goal. Solve for refractive index, angle, speed, or optical path. You will avoid algebra mistakes later by defining symbols now. Use Snell's law form N1 sin theta 1 equals N2 sin theta 2 and keep units consistent. You now apply Snell's law directly or combine it with N equals C/V when speed or wavelength is asked. First, rearrange algebraically so the unknown is isolated. This reduces substitution errors. If lambda and frequency f appear then, use v equals lambda f to link them. For prisms or thin films, convert geometry to angle values and use small angle approximations only if angles are much less than 1 radian. Otherwise, keep full sine terms, always track units and significant figures. You perform the numerical calculation now, carrying 3 to 4 significant figures through intermediate steps and reporting final value with correct units. Once calculated, verify by dimensional consistency and simple limits. For example, refractive index near 1 for air, or check that theta values satisfy Snell's law back substitution. If results disagree, troubleshoot. Recheck the ray diagram. Confirm angles are measured from the normal and not surface tangent, and inspect any rounding or sign errors that crept into algebra.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.